Hello Crabble fam, welcome to your quick start guide on how to use TikTok. So download TikTok and boom, when it opens, it's gonna open on the following page here. This is my awesome friend Michael. Hi Michael. And if you see right here on the bottom, these are where you're gonna mostly go. Up here at the top you have following, which is your friends, the people you follow. And for you, which is where you're gonna see like the really popular stuff, the things that TikTok thinks you would like. And the more you like things that you actually like, the better the For You page gets, because it really gets to know what you like. But let's talk about making your own videos. So on the bottom here, go to this little plus sign, and it's gonna open up your camera. That's me, hi. Okay, I amuse myself. Let me just give you a quick rundown here. This is where the effects are, and those are kind of like Snapchat type filters and such. There's gonna be the trending. If you scroll here, you got different options like beauty. We all love that one. Funny, that's a good one. Let's pick a funny filter just to get things started. We're just gonna pick that. It might take a minute to download it to your phone. And then there's favorites that so you can add it to your favorites. And just click it, and then in this first one here, this little bookmark, that'll keep your favorites handy, which is really, really nice. So if you see a filter on someone else's video that you like, you can hit the bookmark. Click on the filter name. That's gonna be right about here. I'll show you that in a minute, and then save it. So we have chosen a filter. Up here it says flip. So that is what is going to flip your camera to the front-facing camera. So we have the filter on here, and this filter is activated by tapping. It's super weird. Okay, I picked a very weird one to get us started. Okay, anyway, that might be a little too advanced. Let's start with this one right here, the long face. So you can see, it just happens like right away, very easy. Now, you can make a very simple video simply by hitting the red button right here and then doing whatever you want, la la la, and then you can stop. You can change your angle or, change your outfit, whatever it is you want to do. Press it again, blang. You can stop there if you want to. And then all you do is press this red check mark here. Hitting the red button right here. And it comes up there. It's just gonna automatically replay what you did. This button right here, adjust clips, that's new and it's really good. So you can click on the first clip. If you wanna trim it, you can take some stuff off the beginning. Like I just wanna say la la la. You can do the same on the end here. La la la. And then check, and then you can click on the second clip here, and then plang. Excellent. And then save. This is really top shelf material here. Now there's all kinds of other stuff you can do to it. Voice effects are really fun. So you can do vibrato. Electronic is like auto-tune. That actually sounds beautiful. You can add text here. If you don't want to hear it over and over, which I usually don't, when I'm editing it, I just turn the volume down here while I'm editing. I turn it back up again maybe while I'm editing to make sure the words line up, stuff like that. This is a cool thing. So I hit text. I like this first one. If you hit this one time, you can just put ooh, and it gives a little bubble around it, which makes it very easy to read. You can drag it where you want. This is key. If you just hold down, this will pop up, set duration and edit. So edit means obviously you can change what it says or the style. The duration is cool. So right now, the duration, since it's all red here, that ooh is just gonna be on the whole video. If you wanna make it on less, you just say where you want it. And at this point, I might turn this volume up just so I can tell what I'm doing. Actually, I kind of like it coming in there. And then maybe I'm gonna have it go away. Oh, it has to be there for 1 second. I don't know why. So that's my duration on the ooh. And then you can set duration on stickers as well. So under stickers, you have a lot of options here. It's very similar to other apps. I'm gonna just put this little heart right here. I'm gonna make it bigger. You can do whatever you want. Just put it right there. And we do the same thing. Hold down, set duration. Oh, pin is new, by the way. So you can, actually, you know what? Let's pin this one just so that we can get this. We'll just pin it right here. Pin. So it's gonna follow my head. I don't really move my head that much in there, but if you wanted it to, like, if you're holding, you want to be holding something and you're like this, you can pin it to your hand. And then we have, of course, filters right up here at the top. You can do it this way, or you can scroll down here and select from here. You can change the intensity right here. Now, if you, okay, I'm going to turn it down again. Oh my gosh, playing. If you go down here to sounds, you can pick a song if you didn't pick one to begin with. I'm going to show you that next, to how to pick one to start off with. It actually gives you little suggestions right here. Now I'm gonna get a copyright strike for that. That's okay. And then you can change the volume here. So let's say I want the soundtrack just low in the background, but I want to hear my weird noises better. That's beautiful. And then, yeah, just click out of it to get out of it. And then just do next. If you want to select a special thumbnail, go to the select cover, drag here until it's what you want, and it moves, so it's like so I might want to have a little motion in it, like and then check. Click if you want to allow comments, duet, react, save. I always click all these. I just have them pretty much all like that. And then you have you can make it public, friends only, or private. And then right here, you can just type in whatever you want it to say. I'm just gonna put, I'm a weirdo. Like that. You can put hashtags. Some people do the wrong thing and they just put whatever trending hashtags, even if it has nothing to do with their video, which is a big pet peeve of mine. So just put real hashtags that are actually related to your video. And let's see. I'm not actually going to post this right now, so I'm going to put it in my drafts. Right here at the bottom, it's white drafts. So then when you go to this me section, drafts are right here, and you can get right back into it. This is super important. When you're starting to make a video, it's automatically on 15 seconds. If you drag this over to 60 seconds, you get a whole minute. You don't have to use the whole minute. You can go into adjust clips and cut it down if you want to. So if you're looking at someone else's video and you see an effect that you like, for instance, I do these face lottery ones, which are really cool. It's right here. It says face lottery. Just click on it and it'll go there, and then you can click right here, add to favorites, boom, and then it's in your little bookmarked place. You can also just hit this right here to use it, but then it brings the sound from the video that you were watching too, so you might not want to go that route. And if you like a song on someone else's or a sound, like, okay, this is me singing Why Is Everything Chrome? Right here at the bottom, click on that, and then you can add it to your favorites for later if you want, or you can use this sound and make your own video with it right now. Let's say we wanted to make a dance video to Why Is Everything Chrome? If it's a longer song, you can use the trim here, and then you'll be able to trim to a different part of the song. Now, there's not usually a whole lot available to choose from. And then, oh, the beauty filter is off, so let's turn that on. You're beautiful without it, but sometimes it's fun. And then you have this right here. You can choose. So why is everything chrome? And I'm just going to drag it to there. So it's only going to record this much for now. And then you have 3 seconds or 10 seconds. And you would set this up beforehand so that you can be hands-free. I always kind of forget to do this. Click the flip button usually first because then you can't change it once you're in here. Why is everything chrome? So now, and so whenever you're ready, you just hit start countdown. It'll count down 10 or 3 and be ready. I was a little bit early for that, so I'm gonna hit this X, confirm the deletion, start over. Why is everything chrome? Why is everything chrome? There's a little beat there that I missed. And never worry about deleting and starting over. I do it all the time. Boom, nailed it. So now you can click this just to see if you did good. Why is everything chrome? Why is everything chrome? Honestly, I could probably do it better, but that's fine for now because we're not really doing this for real. Let's say that that's really all I want for this video. That's fine. It doesn't matter. Why is everything chrome? Why is everything chrome? Here's another cool thing you can do. Effects right down here. These you can add after. So gold powder. You just hold it down. You can go to the specific part where you want it to be. Here, let's play. Why is everything? Let's say we want it to look different for when I say chrome. Why is everything? We have all kinds of different stuff, and definitely just take some time to play with this because it's really cute. Gold powder. You just hold it down, and that's it. And now that's on there. Why is everything chrome? And then it like becomes, you know,
Why is everything chrome?
not exactly
Why is
chrome,
everything
but
chrome? Why is
one of my favorites to use on here is the zoom. So you hold this down, zoom,
Why is everything chrome?
but you can only use one effect at a time, so it will take it over if you're not careful. So I'm just gonna use this undo button here because I messed up. Why is everything? And then make sure they're not overlapping. So why is everything chrome?
Why is everything chrome? Why is everything chrome? Why is everything?
Save.
Why is everything chrome?
And then I'm just gonna put it in the drafts. Bing! So there you go. If you want to find the trending music, you just hit this plus sign here, right up here where it says sounds. Click there. It opens right up to, these are the recommended by TikTok. Trending is right here, and it's going to show you the songs that are trending. And supposedly if you use a trending song, you get more views. I don't know. I don't know if that's necessarily true all the time. So definitely don't fall into that trap. Use whatever song you want. If you search, you can search for any of your favorite artists. I'm going to search for myself. Mary Pasco. Search. And this song comes up right here. I Hate November. Boom. You click on it. You can hear it a little bit. See if that's what you want. And then if you click here, boom, you can use that. Shows up right there. Oops. I messed up. That's okay, because we weren't really going to use that anyway. And right here is the upload. If you wanted to upload a video that you already have on your phone, let's say you used Vue, V-U-E, to edit already, and it's already ready to go. You can use that, boom, upload it, you're done. I really like actually making it on TikTok. It's fun, and I kind of think that it actually helps you get views, but I don't know. But you know what? Views aren't everything, and likes aren't everything. And let me just tell you real quick, there were a couple of videos I made that didn't get a whole lot of traction, but when I was hanging out with my family, they were just laughing, and my nephew like had them memorized. And you have to keep in mind, likes don't really tell you the whole story, and views certainly do not either. People are affected by your videos, and sometimes you forget because you can't really see them. So just keep in mind, you're awesome, and creating content is awesome, and I hope you have a lot of fun doing it, and I can't wait to watch your videos. So put your TikTok link in the comments so I can check it out and support you. Have fun!